This is what I call a true wonder of one pot steak. This recipe will bring together a perfect combination of Asian flavor and Mediterranean flavor. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Stick around with me and let's cook. I decided to bring my imagination flavor into the steak one pot. And for that, I have my ribeye steak. The first ingredients in my list, which is the major ingredient, is my ribeye steak. We have other affordable or usable part of beef you can use for this recipe. You can also go for filet mignon, you can go for T-bone, you can go for porterhouse. The most affordable one, flank steak, is very affordable, or sirloin steak. So any of that is suitable for this recipe. Let me use this time to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now for our recipe for today, you'll go ahead and cut your steak to your preferred size, small chunks just like this. Then you want to go in with your favorite spice. I went in with my all-time favorite pepper, black cracked pepper. And then I went in again with the steak grill spice. Any other steak spice will do for this. But I love the steak spice because it will give me that perfect smoky flavor that I want in this recipe. Then you will go in with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, add in some sunflower oil and generously marinate everything. You want to let it stay. I didn't let it stay more than 15 minutes because there was no time. You can marinate yours overnight. All you need to do is bring it out 15 minutes before cooking. Now, after which you are done, we will move ahead to the next step. Now I have my bell pepper, red bell pepper, and onion. This is what I mean by Mediterranean flavor, okay? So I will rough blend this one, just chop like this as you see on the screen. And then we'll move in by adding some amount of sunflower oil to your pot, or butter. It's also perfect, but I love to go for oil in this part. You want to let your pan get real hot. The pan has to be hot because we want to seal every part of this beef. This will give us the flavor, the texture, everything we need for this one pot. Another thing is, a non-stickable pan shouldn't be the first option to do this. You can go for any suitable rock pan, it's also good. And you should also be careful not to add too much too much of it in a pan at a go. Just small amount of it. They shouldn't stick too much to each other. If not, they will start releasing the juice, and do not stir while you are sealing your beef. And this is what we have the first side. And then we'll go ahead and make everything, because this is a little bit much quantity. A lesser option or a lesser quantity is also perfect. My first batch looks like this. It is perfect, and I will scoop that out and continue. Let me use this time to say thank you so much for still watching. And please, if you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and give me some like. Please, it will go a long way for my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you need to check my channel out. Check out more recipes. If this is what you love to see, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, just to be the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much for doing so. One thing I love about this recipe is the well-sealed steak or beef. See how perfect that brown crust beef we have here, and look at the bottom of the pan. Those bottom is impact with flavor. Like, guys, this is just a perfect well-sealed steak. Now you will go in with your chopped paprika and onion. You can skip the paprika and onion if you don't want to have that flavor in this pot. Now you will go in with your garlic. Garlic will play a long or a big role in this recipe. So go in with enough of it. I went in with some soy sauce and some Worcester sauce. So I didn't have enough Worcester sauce, but little goes a long way when it comes to Asian flavor. Okay, so if you are not used to the flavor, just mind how much you will introduce. Okay, stir everything together, and guys, look at this pot here. Again, I went in with some chili flakes. If you care, add one. If not, skip it. And we are good to go. But one thing I will say is that, did you notice we did not add anything like salt? Not even to season. There is nothing like salt. There's nothing like any flavor, any boosting flavor. Nothing like that. That spot was a goodness. I don't know how to put it. I loved everything about it. The sauce, if you know me, you know I would not make any dry meat. I love the saucy sauciness. I love it. My husband loves it too. So I always want to have some sauce when it comes to any meal that requires one. And we are good to go. Very short cooking time. We didn't spend more than 5 minutes to put all this together, because inside has to be well tender and juicy too. So you can pair this with some white rice. You can pair with some mashed potato. Mashed potato. Okay, we had one a day before, so that's why I didn't go for mashed potato. I also have my sunny side up egg here, bottom crispy and jelly. Like guys, it is amazing. And some caramelized roasted carrots. Oh my goodness, this was really really good. I hope you enjoy watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button. You need to check out my channel for more recipe. Do me well to do so, and you will love it here. Leave your opinion in the comment section, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.